Hello everyone, I'm going to talk you through how to replace the pulleys on your trimming system. Start by making sure your trimmer is turned off and unplugged. Using a flathead screwdriver as a lever, pull the belt off the pulley groove. Use the Allen key provided with the toolkit to remove the two set screws inside the pulley. Now pull the pulley off the shaft. Install the new pulley onto the shaft. Use a rubber mallet to tap the pulley onto the shaft. Next, you will need to make sure that the real pulley and motor pulley are properly aligned. Place a ruler behind both inside pulley rims and make sure that they are aligned. Lock the two set screws on the pulley. You can now reinstall the belt and the belt cover. If any of these steps do not work, do not turn on the machine. Call tech support at 604-458-0341.